Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2007 Lexus RX 350. This is a two-wheel drive version of this vehicle. This is one of the first generations with the new 3.5 back then. At that time, this was now turning into a chain-driven motor, and one of their most reliable V6s that they ever had. They still continue to use a variation of the 3.5, but they've turbocharged it in recent years for fuel economy. And so this 3.5 is great, chain driven, like I said, no more timing belts. So these are great vehicles, very robust. I mean, you see these now that they're their age, you'll see them with 300,000 or 400,000 miles quite frequently. And this one comes with nice clean and clear HID headlights. It also has fog lights, aftermarket wheels, great tires all the way around. You won't have to worry about any tire change replacements. Those are pretty new. Four-wheel disc brakes on this. Beautiful black exterior, nice gloss black. And then on the interior, very, very well kept and clean. This has a full leather interior with automatic windows, and power options include the windows locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, and liftgate. And so you get the dual-sided power seats. Original owner's manual, some lug nuts for the wheel locks, clean dashboard, looks like the recall's been done for that. And then you get an AM/FM stereo, 6-disc CD changer, satellite radio capable. Also get dual heated front seats, multiple drive modes for snow, and ice cold AC, pocket storage here. Got the open and closing feature, that works flawlessly, no issues with any of the storage compartments. Got the nice wood grain. Comes with keyless entry, and then up top we get these dimmable illuminated vanity mirrors, so that's nice, and that's on both sides. They both work, no problems there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, compass, temperature gauge built in. We also get some sunglass storage. Got that nice soft felt in there, and then your sunroof switches, map lighting, and home link, so if you have a garage door opener. But I mean, you can see these nice beautiful lines on this. The leather's beautiful, all the touch points are really clean. So the previous owners of this vehicle definitely took very good care of the interior. It's smoke and pet free. Super, super clean, and this is not an easy color to keep clean. This light gray definitely wears over the years, and this is just a flawless vehicle. So we have this really nice center console fold down armrest with dual cup holders. Even get the wood grain trim in there, and then rear AC controls. We also get all the factory floor mats. All the leather is just pristine all around. I mean, for 2007, it is a very pristine vehicle. And then we get the nice privacy shade that's built in there, so that's retractable, and then those little pockets that hook onto the back headrest. Even comes with the original Lexus first aid kit. It's just really nice features that show you that the previous owners did care for the vehicle. Just those small subtle things like that. And then those work flawlessly. They're not covered in sand, and they retract and open very easily, very well, so that's good. We've seen so many of these vehicles over the years. I mean, we definitely know when one's been well taken care of. So definitely put our stamp of approval on this one. Even the spoiler doesn't have any fading on top. I mean, that's great. And then it also comes with roof racks. And then as you can see, all four of the windows are the auto up and down. And I mean, just plush leather, just pushing on it, very supple plush. That's very nice. A little pulling on that backing of the driver's seat, but not bad. And then you got those retractable storage bins. And I mean, even the leather here, just even on the door, usually has wrinkling. None of that. I mean, this is a very well kept vehicle. So power windows, locks, dual memory seat setting, and then you get the lumbar support over here on the driver's side, as well as the addition of the armrests there. And then down below here we get the AFS, so that's the headlight leveling system. And then we get the power door switch for the rear hatch, and then the side view mirrors. It also has the interior illumination switch and the odometer trip reset with a little mini cup holder there. And then the telescopic tilt wheel is all electronic, so that moves with the key being inserted. And then you got your automatic headlights, daytime running lights, interval front and rear wipers, wood grain trim, leather wrapped steering wheel with the volume controls, and then the cruise controls mounted down there on the side. So putting the key in, it detects it. Turning the vehicle on, fires up, no warning lights on the dash aside from tire pressure because the sensors didn't make it to the new wheels. This is 108,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly there, that's great. And then we got ice cold AC, feels excellent. There we go, that mode up there. Yeah, there we go, nice and cold, ice cold. Stereo works flawlessly. We get the dual heated seat settings, those are nice for the cold winter times. And then you get the front headlight sprayer wash, that does work as well too. So everything properly working as it should. So all good stuff. And then low mileage too. I mean 108,000, that's amazing for 2007. Really nice. So sunroof works, no issues there. And then we got it tilted up too far. There we go. And so as for the windshield, we get a factory OEM windshield. This has never been replaced, and there are no cracks, no chips. As you can see, the rear view mirror looks really good, no pitting. And then the compass is working in there too, so no issues there. So this is a very well kept vehicle. If you're looking for a nice, reliable SUV and you want something clean, you want something luxury, something reliable, look no further than this beautiful 2007 Lexus RX 350. You can find this beautiful Lexus exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.